Enjoy the view of this 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Experience the freedom of off-road exploration in the Grand Cherokee. Take a test drive today.